In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a no-code AI chatbot in Zapier using Zapier chatbots. By the end, you'll know exactly what to configure yourself and what Zapier handles automatically. First, go to zapier.com and sign in. You must be logged in because the chatbots option only appears after login. Once you're in, click Create in the top navigation. That's the single entry point for chatbots. Under Start from Scratch, choose Chatbot. Remember, Zapier Chatbots is a separate product. It's not a Zap, and it won't show up in your Zaps list. Give your chatbot a clear name and continue. As soon as you do, Zapier auto-generates a live preview panel, which is why you'll see a default greeting like, "How can I help you today?" without setting anything up yet. Next, open Instructions from the left sidebar. This is the most important section. It defines how helpful, accurate, and on-brand your chatbot will be. In greeting, write the opening line your users should see. Then, in directive, paste the rules that shape the bot's behavior, its role, tone, what it should and shouldn't do, and who it's for. Think of this as the bot's brain. Clear guidance here replaces coding. Move to knowledge. Without a knowledge base, the bot will respond generically and may hallucinate. Add your sources. This can be pasted text, uploaded files, or URLs. You can also tell Zapier to answer only from this data, which forces grounded, reliable responses. Open logic. If you need extra control, it's optional but powerful for adding restrictions, routing, or conditional behavior. Theme is purely visual, so it's safe to skip in a first build. Integrations are only necessary if you want the chatbot to trigger actions, like creating a lead or sending data to another app. Select AI model next. Zapier moved model selection here. It's required, but straightforward. Pick the model that matches your needs. Then visit Settings for limits, sharing, and access control, so you decide who can use the bot and how much they can do. Go to Review, so Zapier can confirm required sections are complete. When you're ready, click Publish. Until you publish, your chatbot isn't live. Use Preview to test in the chat window, and make sure responses reflect your directive and knowledge. Finally, monitor activity under Conversations and Analytics to verify it's working and to spot opportunities to refine. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.